quick recap on how to use Pages to make your documentation. Obviously, open up Pages, open up a blank document, press create. It's slightly different from Word, but it's quite simple. If you want to include a screenshot, same as usual, take your screenshot and then paste it in. The way it's different is to format the page. You want to go on the right hand side where there's this format box, and then you want to click on arrange, and you want to tell it how do you want the text to wrap around the image. Do you want it to go above and below? This way, when you write, the screenshot will move every single time you press enter. Or you can say stay on page and don't move with the text, and then now it's locked. You won't write on it, so that's good. The other thing that you need to know about Pages that is slightly different from Word is to make a PDF document at the end. To make it into a PDF file, you just go over to here, File, and then you say Export to PDF. And then that's it.